This quick practice is to create flexibility in your hips, and you can enjoy this practice anytime you feel the tightness or stiffness in the hips and you just want to release that tightness and stiffness and let it go. Join me in a cross-legged position. Close down your eyes for a moment with your palms facing up. Taking a deep inhale. Exhale out of the mouth. Letting go anything that no longer serves you. Another deep inhale. And exhale again out of the mouth. One more time, deep inhale. And exhale. Bring the hands on your shins. We're going to go into a seated cat-cow. Inhaling forward, exhale back. Inhale forward, exhale back. And listening to your body intuition, you can go slowly, you can go deeply, or you can go quickly. Creating this flow of energy, this movement from the sit bones into the hip area and all the way up the spine. And start to slow it down, bringing yourself to center. And then bring the soles of the feet together into this butterfly pose. And once you find how far away you want your heels from your sit bones, take a deep inhale with a straight back, close down the eyes, and exhale, fold forward. Feeling this lovely stretch into the hip area. Releasing into the pose. And then inhaling back to a straight spine. And bring the knees together. Extend the legs out in front of you. And bend the right knee into your chest, opening it up to the side. Inhaling with a straight back, and as you exhale, just fold forward, closing down the eyes, coming into this lovely hip opener. At the same time, stretching the back, the neck and the shoulders. Inhale, release the pose, coming up to a straight back. Extend the right leg out, bounce out the legs, maybe tap them out. Preparing for the other side as you inhale, bend the left knee, and then open the left knee to the side. And with a straight back, take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, fold forward. Releasing into the pose, using your breath to go deeper. And the next inhale, rolling up one vertebrae at a time. And transitioning from here to tabletop. Listening to your body intuition, if you wish to take some cat-cows, or maybe just wag the tail, or maybe a child's pose. Honoring what your body is seeking. And listening to that intuition as you make the micro movements. And then when you're ready, stepping the right foot in between both hands, coming into this high lunge. Long, deep breathing. On the next exhale, take the left hand into the earth beneath you and opening up towards the right into the side twist. You can take the arm and circle it if that feels intuitively comfortable for you. Or you can keep the arms straight. Listen to your body intuition. And then exhaling the right hand down and coming into a half split. Release into the pose, enjoying this hamstring stretch along with the stretch into the hip. Just release into the pose. Use your breath to go deeper. And coming back through the lunge, pausing here a moment. And then releasing through tabletop, and make any micro movements that feel intuitively yummy for you in preparation for the left side. And when you're ready, stepping the left foot in between both hands and coming into this lovely lunge. And then taking the right hand into the earth beneath you and opening up towards the left. And what feels intuitively comfortable for you? Is it those big arm circles, or maybe it's just keeping the arms straight? Honor your body. And breathe into the pose. And then taking the left hand down to the earth beneath you, coming into that half split on the left side. Release into it. Just completely let go. And then coming back through lunge, pausing there a moment. And transitioning through tabletop and sitting back into child's pose. Your final pose. Unless you wish to repeat the sequence, just hit replay. And know that you can come to this practice anytime to start your day, end your day, to release any tension and tightness in the hips. You can use it as a pre-warm-up to any routine exercise. And in your child's pose, together let's take 3 deep inhales and exhales. Walking the hands back towards the knees. Coming into this hero pose and bringing the hands in prayer pose in front of the heart. Pausing there a moment with the eyes closed, just honoring how you feel now compared to the beginning of the practice. And again, knowing that you can repeat this sequence over and over. Just click the rewind, and you can practice the sequence anytime your body seeks that release of tightness and tension in the hips.